This is Fatma Batul. I have been mentoring CSS aspirants for last 9 years. Aspirants of competitive exams are usually looking for teachers who may assess their work, especially writings in English. You must understand that practice, not teachers, makes a person perfect. If you want to check your own work, want to be your own teacher, watch this video. It will also enable you to grade yourself on a scale of 1 to 3. At the end, you will get the tips to improve your expression. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Read any piece of writing, newspaper or book, and write down whatever you have understood as soon as you are done reading. For your convenience, I am uploading a sample in the description of this video. Pause, give it a read, and try to write whatever you have understood. In case you find it difficult to understand the passage, your reading skills are weak. As a beginner, you must read and write as many pages as you can on daily basis. For others, the ease with which you are able to jot down your ideas is the testament of your writing skills. Most of you will be on any of the 3 levels. Level 1. If you are struggling with every other sentence, feeling tired in the whole process of rephrasing the original idea, your expression is weak. Check your writing in any free online software like Grammarly to see if one paragraph has 7 or more mistakes. In case you are making mistakes of spellings, tenses, prepositions, and basic grammatical concepts like subject-verb agreement, you need to work on your grammar. Your job is to study grammar and make it a habit to write at least 5 pages every day. If you are looking for a mentor to help you improve your basic English skills, you may join us in person or online. Our Précis and Composition course is designed to teach basic grammar and sentence structure along with basic writing skills. Level 2. If you have conveniently written down the paragraph but struggled with punctuation and are unable to do justice to the ideas you have just read, your basic English is fine, but you are developing expression and lack practice. You are making less grammatical mistakes, say less than 7 per paragraph. There may also be a mistake or 2 of sentence structure. That's because your brain is still developing these. It's easier for you to fill pages but hard to pour quality into your sentences. More reading with more writing is the antidote. You need to write more than 5 pages a day. You may skip the Précis and Composition course and go ahead with English essay. Our essay course with insightful lectures and regular writing tasks is there to help you navigate your way through expressional difficulties. Level 3. Are you that child prodigy who is able to feel satisfied with what is written? Kudos! You are ready to tread the path of a pro. But remember, many a great talent is lost with impatience, overconfidence, and procrastination. Start writing essays at least twice a month for 3 months. When exams are 2 months away, join mock exams of all subjects, particularly English essay. Being proficient in writing is an asset, but it won't count unless hard work is made and attention is paid. We do weekly assessment of English essays that you may join to find out mistakes of language, structure, and coherence in your essay. Follow my advice on regular writing tasks and I assure that your hard work won't be wasted. We are starting weekly writing tasks on our Facebook page. Don't forget to go through. And remember, I or anyone may be your mentor, but it's you and only you who is to sit in the exam. The more effort you put, the better you get. And you must improve your ideas along with your paper attempting technique to ensure your future. If you are eager to learn paper attempting techniques, leave a comment.